V4. Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Please confirm. Okay, guys. Let's move on to our topic. Yesterday, we have completed our for loops, right? Our for loops are completed. Am I correct? Our for loop is completed. Today, we learn about while loop, do while. Okay? Today, our agenda is to learn while loop, do while, and prime number program. Okay? In this while and do while, we will do programs. In while loop and do while, we will do programs called printing digits in a number. In a number. Okay? Assume that I am giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need to print every individual digit separately. Okay, like this I need to print every digit. I will print like this. Then sum of digits in a number, same as this. If I give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 means take this value, add it. Take this value, add it. Like this, every individual digit need to take that and add it. Like this, I need to get, guys. We will learn this program. After that, we will learn same program, sum of digits in a number until single digit. Until single digit means, observe here, I am getting 15, but I need in single digit. That means when I will get two digit value, I need to add again 5 plus 1, 6. Sorry, 5 plus 1, 6. My output should be 6. Like this, I need to write my program. After completing all three programs, we will do for prime number program. Based on the given number, we should tell that is it a prime or not. Prime or not, okay? This is our today's topic, guys. Before moving to that, I will explain for loop once again. I will explain for loop once again. See here, for loop will work on three statements, guys. It will work on three basic conditions, okay? Initialization, condition, increment and decrement. The syntax for loop is for open braces, and I need to initialize a value int I equal to 0, and I'm writing my condition. This semicolon will indicate that the first statement is completed. Now I am going for condition statement. My condition is I less than equal to 10. After that, one more semicolon. This will tell that this is the condition part. After that, I will increment because I need to iterate my loop until this condition, right? At first, my I contains 0. I equal to 0. It will go and check the condition now. If the condition satisfies, it will enter the for loop. It will come here and enter the for loop. In for loop, I am printing I value. That means my output is at first 0 is printed. Now, after completing the inside for loop is completing, it will go and increase the value. What my I contains now? 0. So 0 is erased and now I became 1. After becoming 1, it will go and check the condition again. See, it will compare 1 is less than at 10. Yeah, the condition satisfied. So it returns true. When it is true means it will come inside the for loop. Now print I. Now I value is 1. It is printed. Okay. Then again after completing for loop, go to increment operation. Increase the value. I will become 2. Check the condition. This 2 is less than 10 or not. Yeah, true. Print 2. Like this, it will iterate up to 10. When I becomes 10, it will check 10 less than equal to 10. Yeah, it is not less than, but it is equal to 10, right? So 10 equal to 10. Again, condition satisfied. It will print 10. After printing 10, now I go on increment, increase again. I plus plus. I will become 11. Check this condition. Condition is false. So come out of this loop. This loops end here. Come out of this loop. Here I will write statement called println for loop ends. Like this. Okay. After completing this for loop, I am executing this line to indicate that. Okay. And I tell that one more keyword, right? Let me explain you in paint. Yeah. For loop I equal to 0 to I less than equal to 10, I plus plus, opening, I'm writing. Guys, whenever I write SOP means it is a print statement, guys. SOP is shortcut for print statement. I'm printing I value. Okay, I'm closing for loop. Okay, yeah, I'm directly writing int direct I, guys, but we need to write int I. If you didn't write int I means you need to declare here. Before for loop, you need to declare one variable called int I equal to 0. If you declare here means it is not required here. Whenever I have not written this statement means I need to write int. Okay, my output is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. 10 is my output. And I told you that there is two keywords called break and continue. Am I right? Break and continue. Can anyone tell me What is break? Yeah. What is break? What break will do? It stops the loop, right? It stops the execution. See here, I'm writing one if condition. If when I is equal to 5, whenever I become 5, I'm writing break. Okay. If I equal to 5, then I'm writing break statement. Open bracket, close bracket. In if condition, I am writing break operation. Whenever I is 5, break. Otherwise, print I, right? Let me check by executing this program. Okay, is it done? When I becomes 5, it will stop the iteration. After that, I will write one more statement, guys. This is my statement. After completing for loop, I will print this statement. Okay, let me run this. See, guys, here. Whenever I become 5, it is stopping the loop, right? Whenever I am writing break, it is stopping the loop because in this for loop I am printing in reverse order. See, guys, in this for loop I am printing in reverse order. That's why it is coming printing output as 10 9 8 7 6. When I becomes 5, it stops the execution. If you see means clearly, when I is 5, it stops the execution and come out of that loop and executing remaining lines. Is it clear? Any doubts in break? See here, when I became 5, if I became prime, I am writing that break the iterations. Break means stop the execution. Otherwise, print I. Whenever I value is equal to 5, at the time stop the execution. Is it clear for all? Yeah. Same as that, we have one more keyword called continue, guys. One more keyword called continue. Break will stop the execution. Will stop the loop. Okay. Continue. It will skip the iteration, guys. It will skip. It will skip the iteration. Whenever if I write I equal to 5. Whenever the condition satisfied, we'll let continue. It will skip that current iteration, guys. It will just skip that iteration and proceed for remaining iterations. See here, in place of break, I will write continue. Whenever I equal to 5, I am doing that continue operation. See, I will save it. Sorry, need to compile it. Yeah. See guys, if you find observe clearly means 5 is skipped here. See, after 6 it is directly printing 4. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. 5 is skipped because in my condition I am writing whenever I is equal to 5, continue operation. At the time it is skipping the iteration, okay? In case of this, I will write I percentage 2 double equal to 0. If a number is even number, I will continue guys. That means it will print all the odd numbers. Why skipped means continue. The work of continue is skip the iteration. Whenever control finds continue, whenever control finds continue, it will skip the iteration. But I am writing this continue inside the if condition. When this condition will be executed, when I becomes 5, at the time only the if block is executed. I am writing if, now I am writing I percentage 2 double equal to 0. At the time continue. What is this means? It is an even number guys. Any number divided by 2. If you get remainder as 0 means it is even, right? Any number divided by 2. The remainder is 0. At the time we say that it is even. Am I correct? Here whatever the number you have given, if I give 4, it will divide with 2 to the 4. Remainder is 0. It means 4 is a even number. If I write 5, 2 to the 4, remainder is 1. 1 is not divisible by 2. So remainder is not 0. At the time it is odd number, right? So I am writing this condition for even number. If it is a even number, continue. That means skip that number. Otherwise print. Skipping even numbers means it will print odd numbers. Okay? It will print now odd numbers because this condition will check the given number is even or not. If it is even, continue. Otherwise, do this operation. See, I will run my program. If you see clearly observe means even numbers are deleted. 10 is deleted, 8 is deleted, 6 deleted, 2 deleted, right? Sorry guys. See this program output. Even numbers are deleted. And I told you one more topic guys. In binary operators. in binary operators. I told you logical and logical OR. I skipped logical not, right. These two are completed. This is pending. Am I correct? It is called as logical not. Yeah, this is pending, right? Now I will explain you. I skipped this because whenever there is a certain example situation, at that time you will get clear. Okay, it's very simple, guys. Logical not means if you it will work on only true or false. This will be worked only for true or false. If I write not true, it will return false. I will write here not true. If I write like this means this will give false. If I write not false, it will give you true. Okay. Clear about logical not? Whenever I am writing not true means it will give false. Whenever I write not false means it will give true. It's correct? Clear about logical not? Logical not. This is the symbol, guys. Exclamatory symbol. Please put S in your chat box if it is clear. I am going to use this in current program, guys. I am going to use this logical not. Simple, guys. It will work on based on true or false. It won't accept any numbers. Whenever I write not true, it will give false. Not true means opposite to true is false, right? It will give this. Not false. This means true. Opposite words, right? Observe here. In if condition, in my current program, I am checking I percentage true double equal to 0. Assume that my I value is 4. What it will return now? Tell me this true or false. My I is 4, guys. My I is 4. I'm writing 4 modular division 2. That is 2 to the 4, 0. This condition is true, right? Whenever I write not means not true. That means it will give false. So if the condition inside if is false, it won't execute this, right? It will skip. There is some condition SOP. I let's assume for my current program I am writing for loop. I am checking even or not. Present percentage to double equal to 0. I am writing break statement. Not break, sorry. Continue. Otherwise I am writing SOP I. Am I correct? This is my program. Here this condition will tell you it is even or not. But for this I am writing not. That means if it is not a even number, then continue. Am I correct? If I percentage to double equal to 0, If this condition returns true, this not operator will do that. It will make the true as false. Am I correct? When it is an even number, this will return true. But this not operator will change the true value to false. In case of false condition, will if condition works? No. In case of condition is false, the if condition is not executed. It will directly skip that block and it will execute remaining program. Am I correct? So if I write not equal to means not I percentage to double equal to 0, it will print as the here I am using this parenthesis for grouping guys. I am indicating JVM to perform this operation first. After getting output of this operation, perform this. After getting output, perform if condition. Now my program will give us all even numbers. See guys, now I am getting all even numbers 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. Am I correct? My program is giving all even numbers because this condition will say that whenever it is even number, change it to not. I can write like this also guys. Assume that not equal to 0. This is also indicate that same meaning guys. When the remainder is not equal to 0. See, whenever I am performing a division operation, let's assume that 4, 4. If it is given 0 means it is a even number. Assume that I am doing 5. My remainder is 1. This is not equal to 0, right? It is not equal to 0. So it will say as odd. Am I correct? If remainder is not equal to 0, then we say as odd guys. This is general mathematics. There is no other logic. You need to remind it. Remember it, okay? If remainder is 0 means it is even number. Remainder is not equal to 0, then it is a odd number. We can write not I percentage to double equal to 0. We can write like this, or otherwise we can write directly I percentage to not equal to 0. This is also valid. This is also valid guys. You can use both statements according to your use. Okay? Is it clear? For loop is completed. Break statement completed. Continue completed. Okay? These all are completed guys. Now we need to focus on while loop. Okay? While loop. This is the syntax for while loop, guys. It will work on condition, whatever the condition if you give. If it is true, it will enter the while block. Otherwise, it will skip. Okay. In while loop, it will work on condition based. If condition is true, then while loop is executed, guys. Otherwise, it will skip the while loop. It will come and execute this statement. If the condition is false means it will skip these steps and it will execute this. If condition is true means it will execute all the statements. These are basic syntax for while loop, guys. There is no logic to explain. You need to remember these steps. How to write while loop. While open a parenthesis, inside parenthesis, I need to write a condition. If condition is becomes true, it will execute the while loop. Otherwise, it will skip the while loop. That's it. I will explain one program on this. I will explain directly a basic program. Assume that, guys, I am taking a number, integer number, int n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my number. Okay. I want to print all these numbers individually. Okay. In reverse order. I need to print 5 first. After 5, then 4, then 3, then 2, then 1. While when my number becomes 0, that means after printing all these, n will become 0, right? Whenever n becomes 0, I need to stop my looping. Okay. There is no go to statement in Java, guys. There is no go to statement. Whatever I taught, please listen it carefully. There is, I'm not skipping any topics. Okay. There is no go to statement in Java. No go to in Java. Okay. Is my question understood for you? What is my requirement? I need to print the given number digits in a reverse order. My output is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. After printing one number, I will delete this number. I will delete this digit from my n value. And I will go for next digit. I will take this, I will delete it. I take this, I will delete it. Okay. This is my question. For that, how to take last digit of a number, guys? How to take last digit of a number? My number is 1 or 2. Assume that I need this number, this digit. How to write it? To take a number from the end means you need to divide it with 10. Percentage 10 means it will give you the last digit. Whenever assume that 1 or 2, I'm dividing with 10. It will divide with 10 times 100. Remainder is 2, right? Here my modulus symbol will give you the remainder value. So I'm getting remainder, right? The last digit. Whatever the last digit present, I'm getting that as a reminder. Okay. Whenever I write percentage 10 means modular division 10, it will give you the last digit. Whatever the number you have take, it will give you the last digit as a reminder. So that digit I want. In my condition also, I want last digits, right? 4, 5. I want first last digit. After that, I need to delete it. Okay, I know that percentage symbol will give you the last digit. It will give last digit. You know, percentage symbol will give you the last digit, right? But after using that digit, I need to remove the digit, right? See, 1 or 2, I am getting this digit out. Then there should be only 10, right? I need to delete this digit, last digit. How to delete it means modular normal division. If I divide it, see, 1 or 2 divide with 10. I am getting 10. This remainder is last digit. Quotient is that digit, deleted digit, right? See here, 1 or 2. If 2 is deleted means 10 will be the quotient. Okay? Am I correct? Assume that I'm not storing 1 or 2. I'm storing 1, 2, 3 only. I'm dividing with 10. 10 12 the 120. Remainder is 3. This is my last digit. I'm getting last digit out. 1, 2, 3. My last digit is 3. Now I want to update this because I'm using this value. I need to delete this. How to delete? My quotient will tell the remaining digits. Okay? 12. See here. My quotient and remaining digits are matched. Whenever we use normal division, it will delete the normal division means delete last element. Okay? Clear guys? How to take last digit and how to delete last digit. To take last digit, we use percentage 10. Okay? Delete last digit means we use normal division 10. Guys, please don't swamp in chat box. Okay? It is not possible to take your classes in Zoom or Google Meet because those are limited. Your strength is not sufficient for that. You are more than the limit of Google Meet. So we are using YouTube classes. Don't swamp in chat box. It is very irritatable for other guys. You are not only the person in the chat. There are 200 people in chat box. Don't irritate them. Okay? Please understand others' feelings also. Okay? If you have any doubt, please put your comment in chat box. We are explaining, right? If you are doing spam means others can't concentrate on this, right? Assume that you are the person listening concentrationally. If someone do swap means someone putting 100 messages, how will you think? You will get irritated, right? And someone is asking, sir, when we use for loop and when we use while loop? Just wait until completion of while loop. After completion of while loop, you ask your doubts. I am just in the starting stage of while loop. I didn't write any program on while loop also. Please be patient, guys. Patience is very important. Did I said while loop is completed? No, right? I am in the middle of while loop. If I said while loop is completed, I am going to do while. At that time, you may swamp. Sir, I have doubt. But I am in the middle of while loop. I'm explaining an important topic. Please concentrate on the topics, guys. Whatever the doubts you have, I will clear you. Okay? As I said, to take last digit. Come back to that, guys. I'm telling for you guys' sake only. I'm not getting anything. Okay? I'm explaining these topics for you only. I may come directly and I just write my program. I will just tell you that line by line execution. Yeah, right for loop. For loop will be like this. Like break will stop the iterations. Continue will skip the iterations. I can tell like this, but I am not telling like that. I am explaining in detail how iterations is happening. When I equal to 0, what is happening? When I equal to 1, what is happening? I am explaining every iteration. I may tell just for loop we can write like this int I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. This is for loop. Note down. Do by head. I can tell like this. I will get my salary. No one will scold me. I'm just telling like this also. It is okay. But I am explaining every part. This is called initialization. This is called condition. This is called increment decrement. I'm explaining very clearly, right? And I am asking for you also. Is there any doubt if I want to repeat also? Actually, for loop is completed yesterday only. It is completed topic. As you guys asked to recap, I am repeating this for loop. Am I correct? You guys only asked for recap, but I am explaining in detail about for loop because everyone should understand. If you see outer situation means they are struggling in jobs presently. You guys all know in current situation companies are removing, firing all the employees, right? How they are firing? Because of lack of skills. Lack of skills they are firing. Am I correct? Really, as because they are firing means once they are firing, assume that how bad situation we are, how bad situation they are. They can't write even syntax for initialization also. For variable also they can't write syntax, guys. If they are able to write this means they can search for any code in Google. Our Google Tally will give you any question we have given. It will give answer. Otherwise, in nowadays there is a chat GPT. You guys know chat GPT. This is most trending words. Whatever the question you have, give it to chat GPT. It will give you the answer and it will explain also. In this situation also they are firing means just understand in what situation we are. They don't know 0% knowledge also. They don't have any knowledge on that skill, guys. So our Avanto thought that some people are there, those who can't pay 35K for just learning Java. We are providing them, helping them to get knowledge on Java. Am I correct? Here we are giving, providing knowledge on Java. Just take that knowledge. Use that knowledge to crack interviews. I think you all are in final year or third year, right? If you are BTech from BTech, you are from third year, or if you are from degree, you may be in second year, like this. Use this knowledge, use these Java skills, and try to get job. Okay? Even some people are from passed out batch also. 2022 passed outs are still waiting for getting jobs. Not only 2022, 21, 20 passed outs also still waiting for jobs. They're waiting for jobs and they are now currently joining institutions by paying 35 to 40K for just learning Java. So presently we are facing some recession, right? Because of that there is no jobs. But when jobs hiring is started, there will be lot of people, right? People 21, 22, 23 people will be there. These many years, 4 years people. Assume that just every year 1 lakh people only coming out from degree or BTech. Every year 1 lakh. You are competing with 4 lakhs people, guys. Assume that you are in a 4 lakh people. 4 lakhs people. You are a one part in, just a small one part in 4 lakh people. If you want to crack interview means you should have some skills, right? You should prove that I am better than 4 lakh people. 4 lakh people should be one side. You should be one side. At that time only you will get selected, guys. Okay? Being a part of 4 lakhs people is better, or being a unique is better. Like, just assume a real time example. iPhone. Take iPhone, guys. Cost of iPhone is assume that 1.5 lakhs. Cost of M iPhone 6,000, right? Yeah. The iPhone marketing team won't decrease this price. Whatever the price they tell, we will buy it, right? We can't bargain in iPhone. But for M iPhone, if they kept 100, less 1 lakh also, isn't that? They are saying MI phone for 1 lakh. Did we buy MI phone? Will we buy MI phone? No, right? But if iPhone says 2 lakhs also, we will buy iPhone because they have some brand value. If iPhone said 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs also, we will buy iPhone only because they have some value. They are unique. They have qualities. iPhone has some specializations. That's why we buy for 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs also. So you guys should be like an iPhone. Gain knowledge and become an iPhone. At that time, you can fight for package. You can ask the interviewers that I have skills. I have enough skills for you. Give me 10 LPA also. They will give if you have skills. Without skills, being a MI phone, if you ask 10 lakhs package, they will give or not. Without skills, if you ask 10 lakhs package, give me 10 lakhs package, did they will give? No. They will say just go. Right? I'm saying that gain some skills. I'm not telling learn full Java. full Java. I'm not telling learn full Java. Just learn basic things. Basic things are enough to crack an interview. If you learn basic things, you can crack up to 10 LPA, guys. As a fresher, you can be able to get 10 LPA. After going to company, improve your skills. Then you can demand how much package you want. Okay, just come back to our session. If I bored, but it is a deadly truth, guys. Is my what's bored also. It may hurt for some people, but it is a deadly truth. It is currently happening in the world. Okay, this is a thing happening in the world, guys. Without skills, we can't get even 1,000 rupees per month also. Okay, there will be some jobs for call center. For that, they will give 2 LPA or 2.5 LPA we can get. But being a developer, if you know some basic Java skills, some Java skills or Python, anything, we'll get up to 10 LPA, guys, based on your performance. Okay, now I'm explaining. Come back to our session. My question is 2, 3, 4, 5. I want to take the last digit and I need to print it. After printing, I will delete this and take away next digit, right? For this, I will use while loop. Why while loop only, sir? Because I don't know how many times I should iterate. I don't know how many times I should iterate, right? Maybe user may enter only 1, 2, 3 at one time. In first time 1, 2, 3. In second time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this he may enter. I don't know how many times I should iterate. So I am using while loop. While loop will work on. We don't need any particular iteration count. It will work on based on the user input. Okay. For writing for loop, I need one condition, right? Here I need one condition. The condition should be like I is less than equal to 10 or something. I don't know how many times I should iterate, right? I don't know how many digits the user may enter. So I'm doing while loop by using while loop. How to write it means, see guys, I'm taking user entered value in n, okay? N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm writing while loop while n is not equal to 0. See guys, here I'm writing when not equal to 0. Okay? My n contains what, guys, now? I will write here every iteration. I will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Presently my n contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it is equal to 0? It is not equal to 0. So, guys, definitely I will provide notes one day. Okay, I will tell you what point should we give at the interview time. Okay, otherwise we will plan every Friday as a note session. Okay, whatever the topics covered from Monday to Thursday, I will give notes on Friday. Okay, by the end of the class on Friday, I will give notes for all the topics covered from Monday to Thursday. Is it okay for you? We are also humans, guys. It is not possible to take classes on Saturday. Okay, If you are okay means I will give everyday notes, okay? If you are okay by extending 10 minutes means maybe from coming onwards I will end our classes by 9:30 or 9:40, okay? From now we will learn only programs, guys. There is no theoretical part up to OOPS concepts. Until OOPS concepts, there is no theory part, guys. Daily we will learn only programs. Whatever the programs interviewers may ask, like prime number, Armstrong program, strong number, Fibonacci series. Okay, we will do all this. We will learn not only prime number. For checking only prime number, we will write one program. For prime numbers in range also, we write program. We learn how to write a program, guys. Okay, that means user may enter one I equal to one. Sorry, one and j equal to 100. I need to print all the possible prime numbers from this range, guys. From 1 to 100, how many prime numbers are there? I need to print all the prime numbers. For this also, we will write program. We will do lot of programs, guys. Don't miss any classes. Okay? No. My n contains. Come back, come back. Alright, time is 9:10. I thought today we will complete prime number program also. It is not possible. So I will complete only sum and sum of digits until single digit. Okay? These two programs I will cover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, guys, if you are well at Java programming, we will take mock for you. Once the topics are completed, programs are completed, before entering to OOPS concepts, we will take mock for you. Mock means like an interview. We will ask all the possible questions for interview. If you got good rating in mock, you may expect some jobs also. We will help you to clear interviews. We will provide you placement also, okay? But these all are will discuss in our group. For HRs will contact you, okay? As a trainer, I can say we will take mock, okay? Now come back to my program. We will discuss these things in another class. Now I am writing while loop. While n not equal to 0, execute my while program. Okay. In this, I am writing printing. I am printing last digit, right? I need to print last digit. So I am printing n percentage 10. Okay. What this will give, guys? It will give every time last digit. Assume that n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whenever I write this at first iteration, it will give you it will print last digit. After printing, I need to delete this digit, right? 5 is printed. My work is completed with 5. I need to delete it. So I will write n equal to n divided by 10. After deleting, it will give you one value. I am assigning that value to same n itself. Okay. This is my while loop, guys. That's it. This will give you that it will delete last digit. Last digit is deleted. Now it will go again and check the condition. While loop condition. N not equal to 0. Yes. Now my n contains 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Come into this loop. Take the last digit. Now my last digit is 4. It will print 4. After printing 4, come to this line. Delete the last digit. I'm deleting this. Now again, come to this condition. Is n is not equal to 0. Yeah. My n contains 1, 2, 3. So it is not a 0. My condition is true. Come to while loop again. Will command execute again. Take the last digit. My last digit currently is 3. It will print 3. After that, perform this operation. Delete the last digit and store it again into n. My 3 is deleted now. Again, come to while loop. Check this condition. Is n is not equal to 0? Yes. N is not 0 because my n contains 1 and 2. Come to this line. Take the last digit and print it. My last digit is 2. It is printed. After printing, delete the last digit. I am deleting it. Again, come to while loop. Yeah, it is not equal to 0 because now my n contains 1. So print that. After printing, delete that also. This is deleted. Now my n equal to 0. After printing all the digits, n will become 0, guys. Yeah. Now again come to while loop. Check this condition. Is n is not equal to 0? No, it is 0. So it will return false. When the condition is false, it will stop the execution of this loop. It will come out. Okay. This program is understood, guys. Did this program is understood? What I am to explain? Please answer for my question, guys. Is this program is understood or not? I will write this program in my edit place and I will explain what is doing in line by line. Okay. Is it okay for you? After writing my program, I will give time to copy it. In that time, I will provide you the attendance link. After that, I will write program for sum of digits. Okay. Sum of digits. See guys. Print digits is my class name. I'm taking scanner input. I'm asking user to enter a number. After that, I'm storing it in n. Okay. See, here my actual program begins. While n is not equal to 0 because when the entered number becomes 0, it means there is no digits in my program in my n. At the time, stop the execution. This will tell that when my number becomes empty, don't execute. Otherwise, execute. Okay. System.out.println n percentage 10. Here, this condition will give you the last digit of the number, guys. Whenever we write percentage 10 means it will give you the last digit. Okay. After printing, I need to delete it. N divided by 10. It will delete the last digit. Here I am taking the digit. Here I am deleting it. After that, I am closing my while loop. That's it, guys. This is my program. I will save this program. See, guys, I am executing my program. First, I am compiling the program. After that, I am executing it. It is asking me to enter a number. I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. See here, it is printing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Our requirement is achieved, right? My requirement is achieved. Am I correct? Let's check for different input. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is my input. I need to check for this. Okay. See here. 1 is printed. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All digits are printed. Observe means all digits are printed separately. Correct? You can say this is the reverse of the number. Okay, guys. If you have any doubts, just write this program and execute your whatever with different inputs. What it will give, check it. If you have any problem, after checking, ask me. Without checking, you don't ask me. Okay. Copy this program. I will. Okay, there is time. By 9:30, I will post your attendance link. Okay. Same program. I will just modify some things. Okay, guys. Here I am printing right. So observe clearly means in my current program 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am printing all the values, right? In case of printing, in case of printing directly, I need all these digits sum like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. I need the value of this. How to do it, guys? You know how to get this element, how to delete it, how to take individual elements. You guys already know. No? You just need to add all the things. That's it. Will you do it for me? Yes, Saitaja. Go and give 100 directly. What will be the output? Check it by yourself. You will remember that. If I teach you means I will get. Just do my requirement, guys. My input is C 5, 6, 7, 8. This is my input. I need 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. It is equals to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8, right? Both are equal. I need this value. Okay. It is 26, right? Am I correct? 8 plus 7, 15, 21, 26. Yeah. My output should be like 26. Okay. Try this program, guys. If you are completed means I will write my program. Is it over, guys? There is simple logic, guys. See here. See here. Before printing, my I'm taking it in end n. One, two, three, four, five. Something I have taken. Take one more variable, guys. Like I'm taking sum. Assume that currently sum is zero. Okay. After that, do same while loop. While n not equal to zero, perform the while loop. But I don't want to print. I just need to add to sum. Sum equal to sum plus n percentage 10. Okay. After that, n equal to n divided by 10. Sir, why sir you are writing sum plus n percentage 10 means in first iteration 5 is taken and added to sum. Okay. After that, I need to add 4 for this. I need to do 5 plus 4. My 5 is currently where it is there in sum. My 5 is there. Sum equal to 5. For this value, I need to add plus 4. In next iteration, my sum contains 9. For this value, I need to add next 3. It will give 12. For this 12, I need to add 2. It will give 14. For this 14, I need to add 1, right? My loop is completed. After completing this loop, I will print sum, guys. That's it. It's the code. See, I will modify in this only. Don't worry. Don't get confused. In case of printing here, I will do sum equal to sum plus n percentage 10. Now my in every loop, the last digit is added to the sum value. But after adding to the sum value, the total value is assigned to the sum itself. Okay? Is it okay? After that, I will print that value. Anything difficulty in this program, guys? Are you feeling any difficulty in this program? I'm not writing any big rocket science logic, guys. I am just taking last digit and adding to the sum. First sum is 0. I will take last digit from the user input. Assume that 1, 2, 3, 5 only. I will take the last digit and add to this sum the value what I get after adding. I will assign to the sum itself. After that, I will delete this. Again, I will iterate because my n is not 0. My n contains some value. So I will take again last digit. I will add it like this. I will do. Let me check what will be the output. I'm compiling my program. After that, it is asking me to enter a number. I'm giving input as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See guys, it's printing 15. Clear? Let me take another value. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum is 35. Okay? Is it clear guys? Any doubts in this? I will explain one more time. So some are facing issue with this. Those who are clear, I will give you one assignment now guys. Do it for me. You do that assignment. I will explain this program once again, okay? Those who are clear this program, done with this program, do one assignment for me. Now itself do. Try that program. I will explain this program once again for the remaining people who are not understood. My my assignment is when I'm entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is giving me sum as 15, right? The sum is 15, right? For 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum is 15. Am I correct? When I'm entering, my sum is 15. But it is a two-digit number, right? Two-digit number. But I want my sum as a single-digit number. It should be in a range of 0 to 9 itself. If I get 15 means I need to do again the same operation. Take one digit, add, take another digit, add. The output should be like 6. Okay? Can you try for me, guys? Did my question understood for you? Yeah. Don't tell me the answer. Just go and try to write it. I will explain the previous program once again for the remaining people. Okay? Nothing, guys. Whenever I am giving a number like this, I am giving. I'm finding the sum of this. My sum is 15 for this. For this program, my sum is 15. It is a two-digit number. Two-digit number. Am I correct? It is a two-digit number. But I want my output as single-digit number. It should be in a range of 0 to 9 only. If I get two-digit means I need to add again. Take one more digit, take another digit, add it. Like this I need, okay? Sum should be, the final output should be like in a range of 0 to 9. Okay? Is my question clear for you now? The user may enter whatever he want. He may enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For this, the output is 35, right? 35. I need output as 8. If I enter 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 means the output should be like 8. Okay? This is my question. Try to solve it. Some are facing some difficulties in previous program. For them, I will explain again. Okay. See guys, those who are not clear with previous program, observe clearly. My input is int n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my input. I need to calculate the sum of the individual digits, guys. This is one digit. This is one digit. This is another digit. These are called digits. I need to add all the digits, guys. I need to take all the digits. I want to add it like this. 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. I need to add all the digits and I want the output. For this, I'm taking while loop. Help of while loop. While. So I need to sum, right? So for storing sum, I am taking one variable called int sum equal to 0. This is my variable. In this variable, I will add all the digits. Okay. While n is not equal to 0. Come. I'm taking sum, guys. And I am adding the values also to sum. Sum plus n percentage 10. This will give you the last digit, guys. Percentage 10 means it will give you the last digit of the number. Whatever the last digit present in our number, it will give you when we do modular division 10. Okay. It will give you the last digit. So I'm taking this last digit here in my operation. 5 is my last digit. I am adding it with 0. 0 plus 5. That equal to 5. Store this 5 into the sum. Currently sum is 0. Change that 0 to 5. Okay. My Now my sum is storing 5. Okay. After that, I am repeating. I need to repeat it, right? After taking last digit, so I added 5 now. 5 is completed. So I will delete that 5. N equal to n divided by 10. Not percentage, it's modular division, not modular division. It's normal division, guys. Okay, it's normal division. Normal division 10 means it will delete the last digit. Now 5 is deleted. Now my n contains 1, 2, 3, 4 only. Yeah, block is completed. It will go to the while loop again. It will check the condition. Is n is equal to 0? No, it is not equal to 0. It contains some value. So it returns true. Again, come to the loop. It will execute, guys. Now my sum contains 5 plus this n percentage 10 will give you the last digit. Now n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the last digit? 4, right? 4 is added. The output is 9. 9 is assigned to sum. Sum is now changed to 9. After that, I am deleting the last digit. 4 is deleted. Come again. Check the condition. No, it contains 1, 2, 3. Take the last digit. Add it to sum. 9 plus 3. Like this it will do, guys. Until all digits completed. Whenever n equal to 0. At the time loop is completed. It will come out of the loop and it will print some value. Okay. It clear? Tell me guys, is it clear? If you say yes means I will proceed for attendance link. Okay. Wait guys. Within few minutes I am going to post your attendance link. After that I will complete do while guys. Today only I will complete do while. After that I will leave you. Okay. Do while is very simple as like as while loop only. Please wait for me. Guys, your attendance link is in our chat box. Go and fill it attendance. I am giving 2 minutes of time to fill the attendance. After that, I am going to start do while loop. Okay. After 10 minutes, I will stop accepting attendance, guys. Within 10 minutes, you should fill the attendance. Okay. Are you guys done with the attendance? Can I stop accepting the attendance links? I'm stopping the attendance, guys. If are not done means I'm not responsible. Are you done? Yeah. Now I'm stopping the responses, guys. If you try it means I'm not responsible, okay? Now I'm stopped the accepting attendance, guys. I will start now. Do while loop, okay? I'm starting do while, okay? Now only do while is pending in looping, guys. Do while loop. It is pending. Am I correct? Is today's class interesting or not, guys? Is it interesting or not? Yeah. You know where to use for loop. For loop use used when we use for loop means when we know how many iterations we need to perform. We know iteration count. Iteration count is we know iteration count, okay? If we know how many iterations we need to perform at that time, we will go for loop. Okay. I think, sir, when I need to use for while loop means while loop use when we don't know how many iterations. Iterations is not mentioned. We don't know how many iterations we need to perform, but I need to iterate until the condition is should be false. Okay. As I said, I am closing your attendance responses, guys. What are you doing at that time? I tell I will give 5 minutes. After that, I will close my response. Wait until the end of class. By the end of class, I will provide 5 minutes again. I will accept the attendance after class. Okay. After class, I will give you 5 minutes of time. At the time, I will accept. Okay. Now my attendance link is not accepting, guys. I stopped accepting link attendance. Please wait until the end of the class. After end of the class, I will again accept the attendance. Okay. Wait until end of the class. Wait till end for attendance. Okay. For loop is used when we know iteration count. When we know iteration count, we know iteration count. Okay. At that time, we use for loop. While loop, we don't know iteration count. We know iteration count. Here, we don't know iteration count. Okay. But we know condition. Condition is known, but count is not known. Okay. At that time, we will use while loop. Based on your requirement, you can use for loop and while loop. Clear? When to use for loop, when to use while loop. If you know iteration count 10 times I need to iterate. At that time, we'll use for loop. But you don't know how many times you need to iterate. At that time, we use while loop. Okay. Sir, then what is do while? What is do while? Okay. What is do while means? Do while has one special thing, guys. The condition false also. Assume that my condition is false. In false condition, for loop or while loop will execute. Did execute these loops? Will this execute? In case of false condition, will for loop and while loop will execute. I will tell one example, guys. Don't worry. I'm asking. In case of false condition, will for loop and while loop work? No, right? It won't work for any iterations. Uh, No, it won't work for any iterations. See here. Do while has one advantage, guys. We will write do while as like this. Do while and condition. This is our syntax, guys. Okay. For do while, this is our syntax. Here we will write our condition. Here we will write our condition. If condition false also, it will execute one time, guys. One iteration is possible. Okay. This is the advantage of do while. Is it okay? Understood? What is do while? Do while means if my condition is false also, it will execute the statements one time. At least one iterations. Do while means at least one iteration. Okay. Keep in mind, guys. Do while will perform at least one iteration. In case of false also, it will perform one iteration. I have given one assignment, right? For that program, we can solve it in while loop and do while loop. We can solve in both the loops, but here I am using do while. Okay. My question is, if I enter n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sum is 15, but I want single digit as 6. Here I will use do while loop. How means before checking condition, I need to perform some, right. I need to take all the values. Without checking condition, I need write if condition false also, I need this statement, right. Means my output should be like, assume that it is final. My final should be less than 9, right? If it is less than 9 means it will be like 0 to 9. I think if I think final is 10, it is not less than 9, right? It is a two-digit number. 10 means two-digit number. I need to add 1 plus 0 again. Are you getting my point? Without checking condition also, before checking condition only, I need to add this all values, all digits. After adding, I will check. First, I will add. After adding, I will check. Is this number is in a range of 0 or 9? If it is in the range of 0, 9, I won't execute again. If it is not in the range of 0 to 9, I need to perform the loop again, guys. See here, inside do, I'm writing while, assume that I'm taking int sum equal to 0, okay. Assume that here, n not equal to 0, perform the operations, that is, sum equal to sum plus n percentage 10, n equal to n divided by 10. This will give you the sum, guys, right? It will give you the first sum. It will take all the digits and it will add it. It will check. It will give you the sum. For that sum, I need to check, is it less than 9 or not? Less than 9 means it is single digit. It is greater than 9 means it is two digit, right? If my value is sum is greater than 9, it is a two digit number. Am I correct? From where two digit number will start, guys? From where two digit number will start? Please tell me. From where two digit number will start? Yeah, 10. From 10, two digit numbers will start, right? Before 10, all are single digit number, right? So I am checking, is my sum is greater than 9. That means if it is a two digit number, perform again. Here my do will complete. After do loop, I am checking sum is greater than 9. If sum is greater than 9, it will return true. If while loop returns true, go to do and again perform the same operation. Okay. Before performing, I will add some points here. I will assign n equal to sum after completing. Okay. Because now my n contains 0. After completing this loop, n will become 0. But I need, for this, I need to repeat, right? See, after completing while loop, that means n divided by 10. Sum contains 15. N contains 0. After that, I am checking while loop. While sum is greater than 9. Yeah, sum is greater than 9. That's then it should go on iterate, right? Iterate n is not equal to 0. But if you see, my n contains 0, right? Here, my n contains 0. Am I correct? After completing this while loop, that means end of this, my n contains 0. Am I correct? Whenever this condition is true, I need to perform again. That's why I will Give this sum value to n equal to sum. Okay, now my n contains 15. If this condition is satisfied, if it return true means it will go and execute the while loop again for n equal to 15. Now it will take 5 and it will add 1. Now sum becomes 6. It will check it is not greater than 9. So it will return. Is it clear? When I am writing program, you will get to understand very clearly. Okay. Up to this you are clear, right? Do while syntax is like this, guys. Do, open braces, close braces, and while condition. This is the syntax, guys. Okay. Let me write this program. My program name is sum of digits. I'm not taking here scanner class. It's waste of time. N equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 eyes. I don't want this. I'm deleting it. After that, I'm writing do. See, guys, whenever I am entering do, it is giving the basic syntax, guys. See here. If I write do means it is giving the basic syntax. Open braces, close braces, and while loop. Okay. Inside this, I'm performing here int sum equal to int sum equal to 0, guys. At initial stage, my sum contains 0. While n is not equal to 0, come inside sum equal to sum plus n percentage 10. After that, delete the last digit. Here my while loop is completed, guys. See here. Any doubt in this? It will perform the sum operation for all the digits. Am I correct? This while loop will perform the sum for all the digits, right? Please respond. This is the previous program, guys. After that, for n, I'm assigning sum and I'm making sum equal to 0. Okay, because if I run this program again, my sum should start from the first, right? Because see here, after completing first iteration, sum contains 15, n contains 0. When condition satisfied, when the number is greater than 9, I need to perform the loop again, right? I need to perform the loop, right? I need to perform the loop again. At that time, sum should be 0, right? Currently, my sum storing 15, but I need sum should be start from 0. At that time only I can add 5 and 1, right? Am I correct? Just follow my words, guys. After that, I will provide you the attendance link. Don't worry. Once my do loop is completed, my sum contains 15. N contains 0. Now, after combining, I am assigning n equal to sum. My n contains sum, right? Okay, 15. It's okay, good. If my condition is satisfied, see that? I will compare n itself, okay? Because n is also containing same value, right? So I'm comparing n is greater than 9. Yeah, now my n is containing 2 digit. Then I need to perform this loop again. At that time, whenever I performing, I'm adding to sum, right? Sum plus n percentage 10. This is my operation. If you see means my sum contains 15. If you see means my sum contains 15. Now it will add 5 again for 15. It will become 20 now. It won't come single digit, right? It won't come single digit. Am I correct? That's why I will assign sum to n and I will make sum equal to 0. After giving some value to n, I will make the sum value 0, guys. This is a simple condition here I am writing. I am giving some value to n and I am making sum equal to 0. In while loop, I am checking if n is greater than 9 or not. Okay. After that, I will print n. Let me save my program. This is my program, guys. This is my program. Just wait 2 minutes. I will compile it and execute it. You guys only do practice on this. Do kaima, break it into different parts and try to understand. If you didn't understand also, don't worry. I will explain tomorrow again. I'm compiling my program. I'm executing. See guys, am I getting 6 directly? Am I getting 6? I will change the values now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's test what it will come. See, I'm getting 8. Every time I'm entering digits, it will give you the single digit output, guys. Okay, is it clear for you? Take a snap of this program. Try for your own, guys. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in tomorrow's class. Take a snap of it. I'm going to accept attendance for just 2 minutes. Now I am making attendance to be working. After 10:03, I will close my attendance. I am giving 5 minutes of time. Okay. Bye bye. Good night, guys. This is the end of the class. Tomorrow we will continue. Tomorrow we will practice prime number program. Okay. Tomorrow our agenda is to prime number program. Prime and okay. Prime number. First, basically, we will do prime number. A quick recap of previous sessions, and we will do prime number. Okay. If there is time after doing prime number also, we will perform strong number. Tomorrow our main agenda is to complete prime number. After completing, if there is time, we will do strong number also. Okay. Try by yourself guys by using while loop. If you have done, it's okay. Otherwise, I will explain how to do using while loop. It's simple guys. Take that sum as the input and write. You are getting sum right after one while loop. Sum is 15. Provide this sum for again one more while loop. Take as final int final equal to 0 while sum is not equal to 0. Take final equal to final plus sum percentage 10 sum equal to sum divided by 10. Print final guys. This is a program for doing using while loop. Okay. This is a second while loop guys. For finding sum, you need to write one while loop. After finding sum, then write again one more while loop. Okay. It's already time guys. Time over. Completed time. I'm going to take your attendance for 2 minutes now. After that, I will close. Okay. Good night, guys. Bye bye. Yeah. Attendance link is now working. Is in process. You can fill the attendance, guys. I am giving 3 minutes of time. Okay. After 3 minutes, I will close the link.